Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best digital microscope. Here are the top 3 digital microscopes that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. TAKMLY Digital Microscope. This microscope is perfect for the aspiring scientist in your life. It has a 3x to 12x zoom feature and an LED light so you can see clearly. This microscope is compatible with both Windows and Mac computers, as well as Android devices. You can even take videos of what you're seeing on the screen or save them to your computer. It has a built-in camera and can magnify up to 400x magnification. At number 2. Dcorn 7-inch LCD digital microscope. It's great for viewing the tiny details of any object, and it's really simple to use. It is easy to use as you need to simply place your object on the stage, turn on the LED light, and press start. Its LCD screen will show you a clear picture of what you're looking at in real time. You can zoom in with this microscope up to 800x magnification. That's 8 times closer than your eyes can see. And when you're done using it, you can just store everything away inside its protective case. At number 1. ANNLOV Handheld USB Microscope. This microscope has a built-in camera that can be used for many different purposes. This microscope has 4 LED lights, 2 of which are white and the other 2 are blue, to help capture high-quality images or videos. It also has an adjustable magnifying lens so you can change the magnification level from 2x up to 400x for detailed work. This device is perfect for students who need to study small objects in class, hobbyists who enjoy collecting rocks or insects, scientists doing research on plants and animals. Lens is made from high-quality glass, which makes it easy to use in any setting. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.